Hello, everyone. In each lesson, you will listen to a simple story. Please listen carefully. Enjoy the practice. And try to remember useful words and sentences. Let's begin now. Hello. My name is Tom. Today, I want to tell you about my best friend. My best friend's name is Anna. Anna is very special to me. I am happy when I talk about her. I want to share many things about Anna. She is kind. She is friendly. She is important in my life. I met Anna many years ago. We met at school. We were both children. I remember the first day we talked. She was sitting alone in the classroom. I said, "Hello." She smiled at me. From that moment, we became friends. It was a simple start, but it started a long friendship. Anna is always there for me. She listens when I talk. She helps me when I have problems. She makes me laugh when I feel sad. A good friend stays with you in good times. A good friend stays with you in bad times. Anna always does that. Anna is 20 years old. I am 20 years old too. We are the same age. She has brown hair. She has blue eyes. She has a warm smile. She is not very tall, but she is strong. She is active. She likes simple clothes. She often wears jeans and t-shirts. She does not care about fashion, but she always looks nice. Anna is smart. She studies computer science. She studies at university. She likes technology. She likes solving problems. Sometimes she helps me with my computer. I think she will have a good job. She is hardworking. She is intelligent. Anna has a kind heart. She always helps other people. She often helps neighbors. She plays with children. She helps old people carry bags. She also helps animals. One day, she found a small cat. The cat was on the street. She took care of it. She fed it. She gave it water. She kept it until it was healthy. Anna and I spend time together. We go for walks. We go to the park. We drink coffee in small cafes. Sometimes we study together. We talk about many things. We talk about school. We talk about family. We talk about dreams. We talk about funny stories. I always feel comfortable with her. We play sports together. She likes badminton. I like football. Sometimes we play badminton together. Sometimes she watches me play football. She cheers for me. I cheer for her too. We also watch movies together. Anna loves romantic movies. I prefer action movies. Sometimes we argue about movies, but we always find one to watch. Watching movies with her is fun. She laughs a lot. Her laugh makes me laugh too. I have many memories with Anna. One special memory is my last birthday. My birthday is in March. She gave me a big surprise. She made a small party. She invited some friends. She baked a cake. She gave me a handmade gift. I felt very happy. She spent time for me. She spent energy for me. She wanted to make me smile. That is what a best friend does. Another memory is when I was sick. I had the flu. I stayed at home. I stayed many days at home. Anna came to visit me. She came every day. She brought me food. She helped me with homework. She told me funny stories. She made me feel better. I will never forget that. I trust Anna. She trusts me. Trust is important in friendship. I can tell her my secrets. She can tell me her secrets. We never laugh at each other's problems. We support each other. Sometimes we disagree. Sometimes we argue. That is normal. But we never fight for long. We talk. We listen. We forgive. That is why our friendship is strong. Anna has many hobbies. She likes reading books. She likes painting. She likes music. She can play the guitar. She sometimes plays for me. Her music is soft. Her music is beautiful. I like to listen to her play. Anna also likes cooking. She cooks simple food. She cooks tasty food. Sometimes she cooks pasta. Sometimes she cooks soup. Sometimes she makes sandwiches. I like her food. It is always delicious. She says, cooking makes her happy. We often study together. We meet in the library. We meet in a cafe. We read books together. We do homework together. She helps me when I do not understand. She explains slowly. She explains clearly. She is patient with me. We sometimes dream together. We talk about the future. She wants a good job. She wants to travel. She wants to see the world. I also want to travel. I also want to see new places. We say we will travel together one day. We say we will go to another country. We say we will take many photos. It is a happy dream. Anna is funny. She tells jokes. She tells funny stories. She makes funny faces. She makes me laugh all the time. I feel lucky to have her. I feel happy with her. Sometimes we just sit quietly. We do not talk. But it feels good. We are comfortable together. That is a sign of real friendship. When I am sad, Anna helps me. She listens. She gives advice. She tells me to be strong. When she is sad, I help her. I listen. I give advice. I tell her to be strong. We are best friends. Best friends care for each other. Best friends help each other. Best friends share good times. Best friends share bad times. That is what we do. Anna is like family to me. She is not my sister, but she feels like a sister. She feels like family. I know she will always be there. I know I will always be there for her. I am very thankful. I am thankful for Anna. I am thankful for our friendship. I am thankful for our memories. I am thankful for our trust. I hope we will be friends forever. That is my story. That is my best friend Anna. She is kind. She is smart. She is funny. She is helpful. She is my best friend. I am Tom, and I am happy to have Anna in my life. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful words and sentences. See you in the next lesson.